Hey there friends on YouTube, my name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe please. If you've been here before, thank you. Okay, so for my next video, I'm going to do some switching of gears, and it's not going to be a product, but we're going to start doing some how-to videos since I've just purchased the new S24 Ultra, the Samsung, and I see many channels out there that's devoted just to this, that's given out some iffy information. So I'd like to start to do some of this myself. And what a better way to start than with this video is how to turn the power on and turn the power off of your Samsung S23. It'll also work on, and the new S24 Ultra. So let's go ahead and begin here, and you'll see my finger where it's going to be by the screen and the little icon here as it moves. So first thing we want to do is to turn it on. Obviously press and hold the power button. That turns it on. Okay, pretty simple there. So to turn it off, the Samsung has 3 or 4 different ways. I'm going to go over 3 of them of how to turn your phone off. So the first way is take 2 fingers and swipe down from the top to get your main video, or your main control panel, and you'll see right here, upper right corner, the power on and off icon. Okay, I'm going to tap that, and then we're going to say power off. Now, here's how you would turn it off. You'd restart it, emergency call, lockdown, power off. Okay, that's one way. But while we're in this, I want to also go over the side button settings. So by default, this power off menu is set to Wake Bixby. Okay, so if you press and hold your power button, it normally wakes Bixby. So I don't like that. I like my power button to turn it on. I like my power button to turn it off. So you want to change this to power off menu. So when you do that, now the number 2 way, press and hold the power button, up comes your menu. So there's your power off, restart, emergency call, lockdown. Okay, and then the number 3 is press your volume down and power button, which it's kind of hard to do sometimes. That's why I like just the power button. But the power down, or the volume down and the power button, both together. And again, there comes up your power off, restart, emergency call, lockdown mode. And we'll go over some more things later, like lockdown mode and more settings later as we go, but I thought this would be a great start. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out.